Bro, it's mad traffic, dude. Bro, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm gonna start. I made a challenge for myself this month. I'm gonna post every day. I posted yesterday. Today's the next another day. And today's day 2 of posting consistent, or what's the word, consecutively. But yeah, man, just got out of work. We're gonna, the flat tire. I need to go to the dealer to get that raced. Y'all hear that? You hear my turbos? Whereas mad traffic is rush hour. Man, I'm not gonna talk too much. I hope y'all can hear the turbos. They sound nasty, and personally it sound good. I don't know about on video. I'm trying to cut up, but my car don't let me, bro. We do what we can. Yeah, man, if you're not subscribed yet, man, subscribe. We're like 290 subscribers, almost 300. I know for a fact by the end of this month we're gonna hit 300. Those are tight. Can't wait to upgrade the mouth housing to 3 inches so you can really hear the turbos. Right now I'm on a 2.5 housing because I'm not tuned. But once I get tuned, I'm gonna definitely move it to a 3-inch housing. It's gonna sound sick. House space for me, house space for me. We have space for me. Damn, bro, it's hot. Honestly, bro, let me tell this. I don't want to turn the AC on. What do y'all think? Y'all think how the AC on? I don't know. It's like a 50-50. Depends on how you think. If you think outside the box or you think inside the box. But you think pushing your car with the AC on is bad? I don't know. Y'all let me know. Just a little thought to think about for those mechanics. Me personally, I don't like doing pulls while the AC. I don't know. I feel like it's putting a lot of stress on the compressor. Just my thought. I'm not not all mechanics think alike. Some mechanics like to think differently, so that's what I think. Damn, bro, can we go? Let's go around this way. I saw a person like come over there, got arrested. But yeah, man, my anniversary's coming up with my girlfriend, and we want to eat seafood boil, but we're gonna probably, I'm thinking about eating like Captain Joe's. I think that's what it's called, man. Captain Joe's is like another version of Juicy Crab. I heard it's pretty good. I took it to her nail tech, and her nail tech was like, it's gas. Anybody who liked Juicy Crab before, they went to Captain Joe's, they said Captain Joe's was better than Juicy Crab. So I'm like, alright, bet. Take it for her word. We're gonna try Captain Joe's out. See if we can put our, I got Carla like a sport car. If y'all play Forza, I was gonna say, what, like, what do y'all consider the Q50, like a sports car, just like a family sedan. But Forza, they have class, they call it Super Saloon. I feel like this will fall under that. If y'all play Forza, y'all probably know. Damn, but is my car giving me AC? Let me find out. Doing something without me telling her to do another Q50. I like seeing other Q50s on the road. It's like seeing my twin. Here, you know, here and there, once in a while, I'll see a Q50 and it'll mog me like crazy. I'm telling you, bag, aftermarket headlights, you know, exhaust, crazy, the whole 9 yards. You know, 3-piece chrome rims all around. Mogged me, bro. Gotta cover my eye, my girl's eyes. She can't see that. She cannot see that. Not allowed to get mogged in front of my girl. Trackhawk? Nah, it's just like just a Grand Cherokee. Bro, ignore the mess. Ignore the mess. So I got some breakfast this morning before work. Gotta throw it out. But damn, I hope I don't spill it. Yeah, I gotta clean my card off for real. It's so weird. I don't know why Infiniti is like that. Like, you gotta take it to the dealer to get the flat tire thing fixed. It makes no sense, dude. I don't even know why the car thinks it has a flat tire when you take it off. Like, my old car, I don't know, maybe it's just technology. Like, you know, all these newer cars, man, they adding newer technology. Like, I want to say like 2015 and up. They started adding stuff that's like, bro, what? The car doesn't even need that, man. Well, that's another car I consider getting. The Acura TLX. Clean car. Ooh, it's a cop. Oh, it's a cop. Don't look at my tent. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Alright, bro, I don't want to jinx it, but I have chrome tint in my front windshield. I have yet to get put over. And damn, that thing's squatting. Bro, I don't know. That was alright. Trucks that have like massive squat, bro, it's not it. Looks like it's sagging his nuts on the ground. Like, I feel like a slight, you know, a slight raise look cool, but like I'm talking about like your car is like, your truck is like 5 feet up the ground and your back is like scraping, bro. I'm like, what the heck? I saw one so bad, like they had to put a camera inside. Like they had a camera right here so they could see, just because the thing was up in the air and they couldn't see, bro. That's crazy. Like, does it go that deep? Is it that deep? I don't know. I'm over here looking at, over here acting like I'm talking to somebody. Oh, well, yeah, man. What are they doing? But yeah, man, we'll probably end the video here. You know, small POV for today. If y'all did enjoy the video, man, do like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. And share. I feel like that will help the channel tremendously, sharing the videos to your friends. And those, bro, you really Nick Fiend? Tragic. Fiend Nicks. Nick Fiends. But yeah, man. See you on the next video. Bro, the tire in the middle of the road.